Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name's Dawson and today we're going to be looking at the 2021 Toyota Highlander Hybrid Limited All-Wheel Drive. So this gorgeous vehicle comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine combined with the hybrid electric motor, produces 243 horsepower and 263 foot-pounds of torque. It also does come with a beautiful set of 20-inch alloy wheels. And it's hybrid, so that means you get incredible fuel mileage, especially for the size of this vehicle. So in the Limited, it's not really limited for what it actually offers in terms of the interior here. So we do have beautiful Softech seats here, really well stitched together, both heated as well and ventilated for the driver and passenger, and both are power adjustable to boot. So really nice comfortability right there just in the seating alone. Obviously, as you can see, the interior is very well designed. Nice premium materials that are made on the inside of it too. And then of course our backseat passengers are not left out. They do have their own climate control in the back as well. And they do also have access to the 2 USB charging ports and the 1500 watt power supply that's back here too. So definitely a lot that this offers in terms of space as well. The third row seat is down, but this is 3-row seater, so you can hold up to 8 passengers, which is quite a lot in the end. And let's see what it looks like in the back here with the seats down. All right, so we do have the lift gate. So here's a third row seat down. So this is quite a long box. This is, I would probably say, close to 5 feet, and fits in there no problem at all. So the third row seat is down, like I said. Third row passengers do get cup holders on both sides. Plus you do also get 2 different sets of mats that come with this vehicle for the different seasons. And even with the seats up in the back, you still have plenty of room here for whatever you need, which is really nice. And if you can't tell, we do have an upgraded JBL sound system in here. Plus we have access to another 1500 watt power supply. So if you guys want to go camping or anything, the Highlander has got you covered. All right, so here we are in the driver's seat. So just for the sake of the length of the video here, I'm just gonna go over some of the key features that the Limited offers. And if you guys wanna learn more, then I encourage you to come down to Thousand Islands Toyota, and you can take a seat in one, or you can take one for a test drive, whichever you prefer. Okay, so we do have the gauges in front of us with the multi-information display in the center. The left-hand gauge has replaced the standard RPM gauge. So this is for the hybrid. As you can see, there's the charge mode in the blue on the left-hand side. Then there's the eco mode, and then there's the power mode. So that's for your electric side of the hybrid, which is really nice, very clear, easy to read. Then we have our multi-information display, which is accessed using the directional pad and the back button. So you just simply scroll down. So we have driving support, any audio if you have Bluetooth, Sirius XM, or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Our energy monitor for our electric battery. As you can see, doesn't show right now, but when you brake and even just drive the vehicle normally, it does recharge the battery. So that's really nice. If you want to see that on screen, it's there for you. This is for the Toyota Safety Sense settings. So you've got your lane tracing assist, your lane departure alert, your blind spot monitoring, your pre-collision system, your rear parking sensors. So this has a lot in terms of safety features, which is really nice to have. And then we also have our seatbelt status as well, which will pop up in your messages. So basically, out of the 8 seats that are available, it will display every single seat for a person that's there and not buckled in. So if you have a larger family, this is absolutely fantastic for that. We do also have the audio and Bluetooth functions that are accessible via the steering wheel, so that is very nice. We have some additional features down here as well: heated steering wheel, your auto high beams, etc. We do have our infotainment setup here, so we have a really nice 8-inch touchscreen. There's a ton that you can do with this thing. At the same time, we do also have the upgraded JBL sound system, so we also have the small sub in the back as well, so this thing really does pump. So if you're the type of person that loves going for cruises and listening to music, once again, the Highlander has you covered. This does also have access to AM, FM, Sirius XM, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth, so there's really not much you can't do in terms of audio with this, which is something I strongly prefer because I love music, so that is an absolute bonus. And then we have our climate control system. Like I said, you've got your heated seats and your ventilated seats on both sides for driver and passenger, and then the setup here in the middle is very easy to use, very user-friendly. We also have the USB charging ports, the USB port for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a nice leather wrap shifter, along with some of our different drive modes. This here is our parking brake. And then this actually slides back, just to show you there, that slides back. The Limited also does have a wireless charging pad, which is really nice, and you can lift this guy up, and then you've got quite a bit of space down below as well. So the Limited really does have pretty much everything. There is one step up, which is the Platinum, but in terms of what you're getting for features, this absolutely knocks it out of the park. All right, so there you have it, folks. There's the 2021 Highlander Hybrid Limited all-wheel drive. As you've seen in the walk around, this is a fantastic vehicle through and through. It has so many awesome features that it offers in the end, and at the same time it's hybrid, so even though it is a larger SUV, you are not sacrificing fuel mileage in the end. And this is something that you guys should come check out if you're interested, so come on down to Thousand Islands Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.